Haiti president's wife don't raise alarm on how nothing happened to her bodyguards when then this man come assassinate her husband. I hope so now they see all this kind of, and I remember when we come as I come they talk say some group of men go this presidential villa, go there, go raid the house. In fact, they even try to shoot the woman. This woman just they very fortunate say she no die. It be like saying near this Martin Moisa come rethink am say it be like say this whole thing she don't remember because then she don't remember how she even land for the place where they give her treatment. Now there she come reason and say now everything na planting. Now she come use her mouth and talk wetin really happened. My people beg, make na follow me watch this one.
It was around 1 a.m. when the shooting started. It wasn't something small. It was the sounds of automatic weapons.
The First Lady of Haiti recounting the moments armed gunmen stormed into her home last month. She's sharing her side of the tragic events that claimed the life of her husband, President Jovenel Moïse. July 7th, she and her husband hid in their bedroom before the door burst open, gunfire erupting, and the men ransacked the room.
They came to find something because I heard them saying, "That's not it. That's not it. There it is," which means they found what they were looking for.
She says a man approached her husband, who at the time was alive and unhurt.
The person called someone and described what my husband looked like, saying he was tall, skinny, and black. Maybe the person on the phone confirmed to the shooter that was him, and then they shot him on the floor.
Her husband was killed, and she thought she was going to die too. With her arm riddled with bullets, she found the strength to get up and find help. She noted that the dozens of security guards normally on post were gone. Officials in Haiti say not a single guard was injured.
The people that they arrest is the people that pull the trigger. They won't pull the trigger with no orders. So the main character that we need is the people that paid for that and the people that gave the order.
At least 44 people are now in custody, including 18 Colombian mercenaries and at least 3 U.S. citizens, some with South Florida ties.
I never thought that the level of hate ever existed in the country.
I hope say I don't hear everything where this woman talk. Say in fact, wetin carry them these people come, not be only about the killing of the president. Say they find something self come the place because as they did it, they ask say, is this the thing? As they see the thing, now they carry them. They can't even still make call to confirm. Say okay, the person where they don't kill, now him be this. They describe the president say, now him be this one, now so him be into this one. Before they can carry gun, shoot this person. And idea she can't even surprise. She gets 50 security guard. But as this thing happen, in fact, one security no dey. And I think say if something like this they happen, now their security supposed they go carry the president and his wife, they guide them. But this one, nothing. In fact, they don't even show. And after the whole attack, now they realize it. None of these 50 securities even get one wound. In fact, common scratch no dey for their body. Or now they say this whole thing now plan something. Or now they say this whole thing will happen. They don't even plan the whole thing down. In fact, they've seen they're supposed to arrest all the security. Because it means that they know what really happened. But I beg, which kind of level of hate on I get for this president will be say, oh, I no fit wait. And I don't talk, making I know they pull lots for now own hand. If na no say I no like this president and he work, making I wait. Last internal go day over, on I go vote them out. Which I can't be saying I can't decide say, on I won't go kill this person. It be like saying I just like violence. But I beg, this one a pure danger. This woman herself when they talk, I sure say her life no dey safe. I sure say they go still they monitor her because the whole thing they won't make she self die. They try to shoot her. She said she just get luck say she no die. So I beg auntie, I don't know where you go still even there for this place. I beg you go pack your load, come up from this Haiti because they no mean you well. If say they mean you a whole president, if they feel kill them, talk less of you, it means say they go just bundle you, kill you anyhow. So I beg auntie, pack your load. If now where you go, I don't know where you go. Just carry yourself. Come up from there. And I don't go understand why people, citizens, they go there, they think bad of their president. Even some other countries, they reason okay, their president no good, their president no good. Last now mouth everybody they use to cause them. But nobody don't give him. Say they will consent, and I no go surprise. So say maybe that government. And I know say if government want president out, they will do everything and every means to carry this person come out. So I no go surprise. Say maybe that they sell them. But until I wish you quick recovery. But the best thing what I go tell you, this thing na inside job. So the best advice now stay on a low or you come up from that Haiti of the country. Go hide for somewhere. Go ahead, I don't talk now because later now we go come here say something don't happen again. Because you know even they safe at all. If your old bodyguard fit there and they go fit still kill your husband, it means say you as a person, you know they safe. My people, abeg, I hear this news. I say make I bring am come, make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey na fear about this matter, make na no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. The governor of Benue State don't commend the police for rescuing a wife of a commissioner from kidnappers. And in fact, this one surprised me because police feel work fast to rescue person. It means that these people that they really work. But we gotta say the wife of person where they kidnap, she be the commissioner of land and survey. This woman where her name the Mrs. Anne Unangi. Now be her name. Now the police carry this mission in time where they rescue this woman. They catch this woman within 4 days. Now then this police they gather their squad. Sharply they don't rush go this place. In fact, go rescue this woman. Not be only her, even our driver herself they rescue him. And during this war mission where they go, now there they even kill some of these kidnappers. For now to say our Nigerian police they work. Now there this governor Otum come as I can't commend them for a job well done. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
The Nigerian police have shown professionalism. They have risked their lives and were able to train these kidnappers and apprehended them after a heavy gun fire exchange. And they gunned them down, and I'm sure some of them escaped. But I'm very sure that they would also be apprehended. And they succeeded in rescuing my commissioner's wife and the driver that 4 days ago were kidnapped by this group. And so, AIG, I want to commend you and your team and all those who supported and made available information to the police to be able to apprehend these people. And we shall not give up. Despite all the challenges that we have, we will continue to complement and to support the Nigerian police to do the needful. Thank you very much for showing professionalism. Thank you for displaying strength. Thank you for rescuing my commissioner's wife and the driver.
In fact, all I see for here now, something fishy going down. And they see the kind game where they play. As this one now turn to commissioner wife, sharply police don't know the location. They don't rush go the place, go carry this woman, come outside from that place. But if say na a single person will be saying you don't even get money. In fact, you go die for that place. Now there you go even sleep for. In fact, they go just leave you, abandon you for there. But this one a commissioner within 4 days. I not even sure say that 4 days reach safe. They don't rush, find everything, go find this thing. I know say now I go talk say this one he dey very brave for like the police for on our own eye. But for citizen eye, what thing I supposed to say that these people go the reason? They go the reason I say, in fact, everything when they do it, honor they know they do. Because some people they don't even kidnap, people even they casting where they don't kidnap since. Some children girls where they kidnap since how many they never even see them bring them come back. But this woman now they kidnap her, you never even take. They don't want to release her. On I sure say this thing will be teamwork. On I sure say then these people say they don't know what they do. On I sure say all this our government they don't know what they do. But anyways, the man don't talk and the governor don't talk and say people where they work in collaboration with these kidnappers. It be like say some people now then they give the information. So okay, this person there this place make na go kidnap them. Say in fact they never relent to say they go still do more work on top of this matter. Say because the way where the country they go, if they no settle this kind of thing, the thing no go end. But I beg go Mr. Police people and the rest, I won't go ask on. Strategy wey na use take rescue this woman. Why una no go put am? They rescue the remaining people. Some people dey there and just and they claim say 5 naira they no pay. Say they no pay them this kid. I can't surprise. Person wey kidnap person, I beg wetin come be the motive of kidnapping the person? I sure say that these people pay. They just want they put them on the cover. Because even when Bethlehem girls, I mean Bethel girls wey go school, they even pay their parents has pay to rescue these people back. It can't be a whole commissioner where they know say this person get money. They will come decide say okay, they no want collect money, make it they go. But I beg police, I go commend you for saving her life because no life supposed die because of all this banditry and kidnapping thing. But at least in this effort wey na put stay rescue her. I don't know I be there this team of people wey go there, make na pack them, deploy them, go behind na Zambisa forest. May they go bring out the remaining people where they all this wahala with them. May they go rescue them, these people where they because it be like saying now only these people now nice be the work well. Now they understand them this kidnappers language. So may they carry them go this place. On our thank you, on our world, on our beg government making a pull out for this matter. This thing don't do too much. Kidnapping don't this one now wait turn to government person on a sharply do something. But the innocent people, the village people say they no get money, and I just leave the matter. And I leave another make it die. Now I know anything when I want to make Naija do the right thing for the country. My people beg, I hear this story, I see make I bring and come, make Naija service in our ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.